Hello, friends.
Hello everyone! Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Shania.
And I'm Monica. And Valentine's is all about loving the people around you, your loved ones, and they can be your mom, dad,
And friends,
and sister, brother,
anyone.
even your teacher can be.
Anyone can be.
Loving everybody.
They can be friends and everyone. We can make a card for each other.
Shania got a school activity, so she has to make cards for all her friends in her class. And in this video, we will show how she is going to make cards. This design that we are going to make is simple, easy, yet beautiful. So guys, I will show you now what are the products I'm using to make a card. This is the A4 sheet paper and we will cut it into two parts like this. And this is a stencil from which I will use a heart shape. And this is the glue stick. And this is the cutter to cut the paper. And these are the normal watercolors. Sorry, these are of my daughter, so they are a little messed up. And this is a mini notepad. And it came with a small pen. And it was a total of just 97 cents. I got it from Walmart. I'll show you how I'll use it. And this is the earbud that I will use in my card making process. And little water. And this is the chalk pen. So you can use any chalk pen, Sharpies or anything. This is the liquid chalk marker, which I got from Amazon. So these are the products I will be using. And let's begin. First of all, let's divide the A4 sheet into half so that we can make two cards out of it. Now we will bring one paper out of this pad and we have to give it a nice shape. I'm using a craft knife here and trying to make it presentable with the proper shape of heart. After completing this step, let's come to the front. Now I will make a heart with the stencil. Now we will use the watercolors red, pink and white. And with the help of earbuds, my daughter is making here little dots. You can do somewhere red, somewhere white and somewhere pink as you like. Now we will cut this heart again with the craft knife. Make sure you're cutting just one side of paper, not both the sides, otherwise it will tear the second part. And here you guys, look how beautiful it looks. Now we will take this heart that we cut in the starting and we are going to write on it, but make sure you're writing from the outside, otherwise you won't be able to see what you have written on the inside heart. This is for Shania's friends, so it says, I love all my friends. I made 2 other cards as well. Now I'm going to glue this heart. You have to look properly. It should be visible from outside, whatever you have written. Now I'm writing Happy Valentine's Day on the front page. You can write whatever you wish to, and then I noticed my pen was not working. I had to get another pens, and I'm writing with the red pen here. And then I noticed the inside heart was looking slightly incomplete. I made hearts with the chalk marker and they were matching with the printed hearts, fortunately. Now I'm making some other pink hearts and then I'll outline them with the red heart. Now let's come to the end part. I'm going to paste here the heart that I cut from the front page, and my daughter is writing here from Shania.
If you like my card, please subscribe my channel.
And please let us know by commenting under the video, and thank you for watching.